Okay, to go over what I just did, I'm talking about marking it up. I split this here, rolled this up, rolled this over, and you can see it's real close. All I got to do is fill in this, grind it down, and it'll look like one piece. Do the same thing over here. See if I can get the right angle. And this had the same problem. This is more squared, this is more round. So I did the same thing to cut, pulled the piece over, pulled it over, and as you can see, it's close. So when I weld it and grind it down, it should look nice. The other thing with this side, the way this cut, actually this piece, there's a lip here, just like this. I'm actually on the edge right there. Doesn't look like it, but it is. So when I weld it, I'm going to weld down the edge right here, and I don't have to hammer this in. It'll all look good. If you got these are great. They're your little extra hands holding the pieces together. All right, still got to do a lot of measurement here and here down, but it was close earlier. I'm just going to double check before I just spot weld it in place. Make sure it's right before I flip it over, because I'm going to weld it from the inside.